When the day has been long and your soul is craving something slow, tender, and deeply comforting, this oven-baked osso buco is the kind of meal that brings everyone back to the table. It's a hug in a bowl, a true expression of love through food. Let's start by gathering our colors. We've got potatoes, carrots, celery, a bell pepper, some eggplant, ripe, juicy tomatoes, and a handful of fresh cilantro. We're going to give everything a rough chop. There's nothing fancy here. This is all about honest, home-cooked food that feels good to make and even better to eat. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, our osso buco beef. Look at this cut rich, marbled, and just full of flavor. We'll season it generously with salt and pepper. It's a simple act, but it's a reminder that the simplest ingredients become extraordinary when you treat them with care. Give it a good sear on both sides, to lock in all that delicious flavor. In your pan, saute some onion and garlic until they soften and perfume your entire kitchen. This is that first layer of aroma that tells your family something truly good is coming. Now add in all those beautiful vegetables we chopped, along with a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Let everything mingle and get to know each other for a few minutes. Next, pour in your beef broth. If you don't have broth, water with a bouillon cube works perfectly. Let it all come to a gentle simmer. You can already see the colors deepening, the flavors beginning to meld into a promise of pure comfort. Now, we'll nestle our seared beef right into that vibrant bed of vegetables. Cover your pan and let the oven do all the hard work. We're going to slow cook this until the meat is falling off the bone. This low and slow process transforms a tough cut into something incredibly tender, a beautiful reminder that time can turn anything into something wonderful. While that's baking, let's make a creamy bed for our osso buco to rest on. Warm a splash of milk and mash your potatoes until they're fluffy, creamy, and soft. Simple, humble, and absolutely perfect. All right, it's time to serve. A generous scoop of those creamy mashed potatoes goes first. Then, gently place the tender osso buco on top. Spoon over those beautifully roasted vegetables and that rich, savory broth. A final sprinkle of fresh cilantro adds a touch of brightness and freshness. This is a one-pan dinner that is hearty, comforting, and made with so much love. It's the kind of meal that reminds you, home isn't just a place, it's a feeling you can create, one recipe at a time. Thanks for cooking with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comforting recipes.